Okay, y'all, so this is why it's important to make sure whoever you have looking at your brakes looks at everything on them, okay? This car has a brake grinding noise. Took it for a test drive, definitely hear the grinding. Took up the rear wheel. Everything looks pretty copacetic. Pads are pretty, they've got some life on them. Rotors are grooved a little bit, but not enough to, make me think, oh, there's grinding. It's not really any debris in there, a little bit. So I'm probably gonna recommend, I don't know, probably rotors. Those rotors are kind of trashed, but this right here, this is the money right here, okay? So you get up here, from first glance with the wheel on even, you'd look at it, you'd see, oh, okay, well, there's not a lot of grooving, but he's got drilled and slotted rotors that look like they've got some life on them. Definitely rusty. Pads look like they got some life, right? And then you come to the back side.